In this video, I will show you step by step how to withdraw your money from Allchinabuy. So if you want to withdraw money, follow me on this video guide and let's get started. Click on this profile icon in the top right corner, click my balance, this option. And then you will see this page, friends. All you have to do, go to directly and exactly to this balance details, click withdraw. In this case, guys, I don't have any amount to withdraw. Just if you want to withdraw, click withdraw option. From this withdraw option, guys, you have available zero balance here. And then, guys, the order to avoid any unnecessary service change will be returned for the originally path withdrawing funds. So, guys, make sure the first, click choose. You can choose PayPal as a method to withdraw. And make it, guys, I don't have any amount to withdraw. If you want have amount, just click PayPal, and then, guys, click withdraw record. And then choose a PayPal. From the withdraw record, you can add your PayPal email to make a funds withdraw. And this is how you can do, guys. Just follow these steps. No record funds. Just if you have funds, you can withdraw through your PayPal from this section. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on other videos.